How you doing? Welcome to my video about SketchUp. My name is Matt Durkovich, and I'm really excited to show you one of the great tools about this program. Before we get started, I wanted to share a quick quote I often use which applies to SketchUp. Albert Einstein said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." SketchUp is a great way to explore the possibilities of our drawings and create solutions to our design problems, but we have to be creative to do so. We have to think differently. One of the tools I use to be creative is the Intersect tool in SketchUp. Let's show you what it can do. Alright, let's get started. The Intersect tool is awesome. It's used to create complex geometry by piecing together separate geometry. The purposes of this example, we're going to go ahead and build a curved wall with a waving or curved top. We'll start by taking our arc tool. Just draw whatever shape you want. It can be as complex or simple as you want. We'll leave it right there. Offset it to whatever distance you want, wherever you want. I'm going to do a foot right now. Go ahead and close it off. And extrude it to an arbitrary height, whatever you want. Now right next to it, do the same thing, and this is going to be curved surface at the top of your wall. Again, make it as crazy as you want. We'll keep it simple. I've gone ahead and already done this. Let's go ahead and check out what I've already set up. Here's my curved wall, kind of funky. And here's the surface of my wall. I like to, let's go back here. I like to make copies of things just in case something gets screwed up. You don't have to redo it. So bring over a copy. Now we obviously can't put this curved surface on this curved surface because they're the same geometry, the same orientation. Excuse me. So let's rotate. Oops. Go ahead and rotate it there 90 degrees. Place it wherever you want to in your model. You can edit it because we made a copy. Go nuts. Alright, I'm going to scale mine just a little bit. Up and down. Might take you a few tries to place it exactly where you want to. Give it a look to see exactly how it'll fit. Move it off to the side, and at this point you extrude it. Make it pretty big. Now do a final placement. You can see that's basically what it's going to look like. The Intersect tool works best if you explode the models, I've found. So go ahead and explode. Select it all again. Right click, Intersect, selected. Then it's just a process of deleting out the separate geometry. You can see how it retained the lines of that other model. And here in just a second, now you can see how you have a curved surface with a curved top. Pretty neat. Go ahead and start erasing random construction lines that were left behind. The vertical lines actually erase the surface of the model, so hold down Shift and just hide those. These are the lines you can erase. Once you do that throughout the whole model, this is what mine look like. I just spent a few minutes having some fun. You can see it looks really clean. It accepts materials, shadows. You can create really neat models in a short amount of time. And again, this is conceptual. Clients eat it up. Friends love it. For landscape architects, this is a great tool to be able to do some pretty neat tools, some pretty neat models, excuse me, in a short amount of time with a little razzle-dazzle effect. So go ahead and have some fun. Try it. You'll only get better the more you do it. Enjoy.